First, install Tomato Timeout from the Chrome Web Store. After it's added, you'll see the Tomato Timeout icon appear in your browser's toolbar. Click the icon to open it and head to Settings. By default, Pomodoro is 25 minutes work and 5 minutes break. You can change these to whatever suits you, then save. Next, the block list. Add any distracting sites you want to block during work. I'm adding YouTube.com, Instagram.com, and TikTok.com. You can add as many as you like. Now I'll start a Pomodoro work session. During work time, anything on the block list is blocked. When the timer switches to break, those sites open normally again. Let's look at strict mode. If I enable prevent pausing during work sessions, the pause/stop controls are disabled until the work period ends. If I enable prevent block list changes during work, I can't edit the block list while I'm working. It's locked. There's also a whitelist feature. This flips things around. Only sites on the whitelist are allowed during work, and everything else is blocked. I'll add Google Docs and Gmail to the whitelist and start session. Now you'll see that docs.google.com and Gmail load just fine. But if I try to open a site not on the whitelist, say Facebook.com, it's blocked until break. If you turn strict mode off, you can freely pause a work session and edit your block list or whitelist whenever you need. That's Tomato Timeout. Customize your timer, block distractions, and focus better. Thanks for watching.